Welcome to another episode of That Crazy Triangle Guy. Here we are looking at XRP on a daily time frame, and this video is just it's kind of a generalization using XRP as an example that the altcoins are about to pump. And if you think that they have been pumping, yeah, but we're just getting started. The whole market is still in the midst. It's in the middle of a major bull run. Um, bull rally is the word I'm looking for. It starts with an R. It's an R word. Major bull rally that will continue on through January, mid-January, late January, maybe sometime early next year. Um, and what we're looking at here, we've got the daily Gaussian channel turned on. But first of all, see this yellow line or white line, whatever color that is, I don't know, because my blue blocker is on my phone. So white lines appear yellow. But it looks as though price action has run into this line and is moving up along it, especially with these two candles. The two candle wicks coming right down to the line and starting up one step up. And now, what I see here is that XRP entered the daily Gaussian channel, wicked down to the center line here on this single day, and then came back up, and is now, if I move that out of the way, is now attempting to close and start another candle outside the daily Gaussian channel. If we look at a weekly time frame, you can see here that XRP, if I can get my cursor in the right spot, is closing on top of the weekly Gaussian channel after moving up through it here. It moved up through, fell in, came down, tested the center line, moved back up out, and now is testing the top, or has tested the top of the weekly Gaussian channel. Now I'm going to turn the Gaussian channel off. And you see now that this yellow line is the bottom of a parallel channel that is sloped upwards. And that also XRP has been trading in the bottom portion in this purple channel, which is the bottom portion of a much larger purple channel. And we're on a weekly, so I can zoom way out here. And you can see how over the past decade or so, well, look, so we have this, I got this played out pretty well. There's a triangle. It's followed the TA pretty good here. A nice consolidation triangle forming here. Target was here, followed it exactly, and then started. I drew this stuff a long time ago, so okay, and then started following in this channel here. Well, actually started following in this yellow channel moving upwards, as well as the purple channel. Bull run up, pull back. Is what year was this? Yeah, that was 2017. And then the same thing here for this bull run up and then a pullback. And as we've done that, we are also forming a symmetrical triangle with XRP here. And that dotted line is the measured move right there. And I pulled that over here for a target, really way up like $75,000, $80, $75 to $80. That's like a 10x. So it's not crazy, but XRP's got a pretty big market cap already. So, whatever. I don't know. Just what the chart's saying. I'm just looking at the charts, people. And possibly another leg would be this measured move from the previous bull run. And I've also targeted that right here at $12. Oh, that other one was a 10. It was 100x. Yeah, that other one's 100x. That's that. I don't know. Maybe that's decades away, another decade away. This is a about a 20x. That's a big move. Yeah, that's a big move right there. But looks to me like possibly XRP is going to start moving up this channel here. Now, what may be the case is I may have this channel moved over to the left too much, and that the actual bull run does start somewhere over here. You know what? I'm going to move this just to see what happens if we like put the center line right there. When is this right here? March. Okay, the reason I moved this here is because we got this candle wick here and this candle wick here. Those are pretty powerful and pretty good positioning tools. And then this puts the center line here and here. Now let's look at that picture overall. That makes more sense. And when is our June start of our bull run? That's about over here. And that makes sense too, because that is where XRP would be exiting this symmetrical triangle. Okay, so now what we have then is that we want to clone this and squish it together. I'm glad that I have that right there. Put that one there, put this one here. And now what you can see is oftentimes this is the case, that price action travels within parallel channels, split, halved and halved and halved again, kind of like the halving event. And when you see that here, it does make perfect sense that in the next, this is on the weekly channel time frame, I mean, more likely than not, XRP does start moving up here in the next few weeks, kind of like Bitcoin is doing. So I expect XRP to see moves like this in XRP. The top of this purple channel is at 78. However, we have come out of that channel in the past. Maybe to like a center line area. Roughly right here. That makes sense. About 90 cents. I think XRP will rally to about 90 cents within coming the next few weeks. About a 50% rally. And as I'm saying it right now, that falls in line with everything else that I've been saying about the market in general. So let's go take a look at that, the total 3. How it's doing. It's at 434 currently. So let's take a 50% move for the total 3 from where it's at currently. Ooh, not that much. We're super zoomed in here, so a 50% move is right up here around 650. Let's take a smaller move and see. Let's take a move to see where is 590. That was my target, I believe. $590 is about another 35% move. So these guesstimates are, and I don't know what that is. That is 609. Oh, that's just a line coming here from this resistance. So it makes sense that I believe in the next month that the total 3 market cap will be up there from 434 currently. And we do have these measured targets here. I've gone over this in previous videos. It's hard to see right here, but those are measured targets from our from this inverse head and shoulders reversal pattern that we've been forming over the past year and a half. And that target was up around 590, something like that. And that as well would put us back into, put us back into this pink channel that we had been traveling in since the bottom at October 13th, right there. October 13th is when we fell into there. That's the bottom of most markets. The altcoins had an extended bottom because of all the FUD created by our friend Gary Gensler. Now, the other thing I wanted to look at, yeah. Also, currently, we are approaching this previous high here at around, I think it was around 450-ish. I think it's, I'm really zoomed out, so it's hard to tell. Here on the weekly chart, it's about it was 454. So we're 20 billion away from that currently. What is that, like 5%? Not that far away. And then we have these other regions here, 480. So we are about to break these. Not very many percentages away from breaking those, and it's going to be explosive, folks. Okay, mark my words, the next month or so. All right, so like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.